What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? In this video, I want to give you the 3 things that make maternity photos cute. So if you want cute maternity photos and you don't want them to look like something that you regret when your child gets older, stay tuned for this video. I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And today I'm going to tell you what the 3 things is that honestly make up cute maternity photos. The first thing is the background. Your background is so important because it is what's behind you, in front of you, to the left of you, to the right of you. This is the environment that your portraits will be in. This is kind of like the central piece of your story. Your background is so important. You want to come up with a creative background with your maternity photographer and create something that's unique to your pregnancy journey. You do not want to create a background that's plain. You don't want to let them put you on a plain background on a piece of paper, or you also don't want to let them put you on a set that everybody has been on, because your maternity photos will start looking like everybody else's and not looking cute. So that's the first thing you need, is a creative background if you want your maternity photos to look cute. The second thing you need storytelling props. Now, what are storytelling props? These are the elements you add into your maternity photo shoot to make it feel full, to tell the story. So if you're doing a diner theme because you want to, show off how much you ate during your pregnancy, you will include all your favorite snacks on the table. If you're doing a rainforest theme, you may have rocks, and you may have leaves and vines and butterflies and animals. Those are storytelling props that make up your maternity photo shoot and create idea. And last but not least, you need to have you need to have wardrobe and poses that match your environment and your props. So if you're doing a rainforest photo shoot, you want to aim for those flowy, vine-like nature poses. If you're doing a diner photo shoot, you may want to look like a waitress and do waitress poses. If you want something elegant, and you may want to be like in a garden or something, you want to do those beautiful, soft girl era poses in your maternity photo shoot. So it's very important that you work with your photographer to not only choose wardrobe that fits your theme, but also have them help you pose, right? Photographers should be helping their clients pose. So make sure you work with a photographer that can help your clients pose. And to help you do all of this, I have created a free gift for you. It's called the Maternity Idea Vault. Inside of this Idea Vault, I have over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and I'll send it right over to you.